The FDA still has to approve that Pfizer vaccine discussed by Governor Cuomo today. The head of the FDA has said a meticulous and thorough review is necessary for public trust. Now, that public trust was also top of mind today for the governor, who held a live and slightly theatrical unboxing today.
This is a box of vaccines.
The prop piece was packaged and sealed just like the real vaccines. New York State says it expects on December 15th, enough for 170,000 New Yorkers, with priority for nursing home residents and healthcare workers.
And we are working very hard to be ready for the distribution and training people on the distribution to make sure it's all done correctly. But this is the weapon that is going to win the war.
But the reality is that most people in good health won't see that weapon until spring or summer. The latest data from the Pew Research Center regarding acceptance also shows only 60% of those surveyed would get vaccinated. It was 50% last month, and while a slight improvement, Governor Cuomo says it would take at least a 75% vaccination rate to get back to normal.
People are also going to have to do their part. They're going to have to accept this vaccine. And right now, all the current data suggests people are very skeptical about the vaccine.
If approved by the FDA, the state says it expects additional vaccines from Pfizer and Moderna, the other company, to request emergency authorization by the end of the month. Until then,
the word has to get out that New York State is going to make sure it's safe, make sure it's available, but don't let that change your behavior now. We are still months and months and months away from the general population getting a vaccine. So you still have to protect yourself because it is deadly and we're in an extremely vulnerable time.
In Buffalo, Rob Hackford, Channel 2 News.